Yo, welcome back to Shop Life. Today we're going to be bagging up an order. I'll take you through the whole process of actually getting the order, printing the shipping label out, packing the order, shipping it. All that good stuff is going to be done in this video right here. If you follow me on Instagram, you've probably already seen this process a bunch of times because I was posting a video every single day of the month of December, and I was showing that process in almost every video, packing hoodies, packing t-shirts, all that good stuff. Now, outside of that, we're also going to do some inventory. I want to show you guys how I do inventory. People always want to know, how do I keep track of everything? So I'll take you through that process also in this video right here. So first things first is we're in Shopify. We're going to print out this shipping order. This person right here ordered a South Bay t-shirt, 4 Fingers Up t-shirt, and a South Bay hoodie. So we're going to get this thing situated right here. So boom, boom, boom. We'll send this one out priority, which is going to take 1 day. And I believe it's going to Lakewood, California. All right, here we go. So I'm using the Dymo Label Writer 4XL to print out these labels. This is Shopify. This is where I buy all my postage. And here is the actual label. And I also print out the packing slip with the label. So label, packing slip. This says what we need to go pick and pack and make sure we get the right sizes. So let's go to the shop and pack this thing up. All right, let's grab some of these t-shirts here. We need a 2X South Bay, 2X West Side, and 2X South Bay hoodie. All right, now let's wrap these things up. Hoodie doesn't go into a clear poly bag, but the t-shirts do. T-shirt. Every t-shirt gets some stickers. This one right here. This is the t-shirt that says vibes are higher in the South Bay. We also got the stickers to match that and some big Brando stickers. Everything gets thrown inside. Hopefully the camera's still tracking me. And here's our poly mailer. Hoodie goes inside. T-shirts go inside. Put one on the top, one on the bottom, just because. On the packing slip here, we're going to write a nice little handwritten note. I do a handwritten note for every order that I pack up, thanking them for their support. Packing slip goes inside. This says everything that they ordered, sizes, quantities, all that good stuff. Now let's seal this thing up. Bam. I also like to seal it up with a piece of tape just because on these hoodies, I don't trust the glue strip that's on the poly mailer. So I just like to reinforce it with a piece of tape. Only for the hoodies though. T-shirts not so bad, but as you can see with the hoodies, it like puffs up kind of like a pillow. So I just like to reinforce it with a little bit of extra tape. I always seal up all my packages with one of my stickers. And the packing or the shipping label goes on the other side. Now this one's ready for the post office. Everything's sealed up, ready to go. If you wanted to order some of these poly mailers, the same sizes I use, all the poly mailers that I use, the link is in the description for you. I think it's under shipping supplies, but it's an Amazon link and it's there for you guys. All right, so I want to run you guys through how I do my inventory here. So this is basically all blank t-shirts right here on this side. These are all hoodies that are already printed on this side. And then this right here is t-shirts that are pre-printed that are for the store. So this is basically how I do all my inventory. I'll pull up my Shopify app that has all my products, right? I'm pretty sure you can't see this, hopefully you can, but we'll run inventory on the black South Bay hoodie because those been selling out like crazy. And this is the size listing that I have. Small, medium, large, extra large, double X, triple X. So what I do is I just go through here, check each bucket. I know I have one size small, that's the display in the store. Then I'll come down here, medium. I have one medium on display, and then I also have a medium in the bucket, so I know I have 2 of those. I'll click 2, save. Size large, sold out. Extra large, we got 1. So we have 1 extra large. So I'll mark it on here, 1 extra large, save. 2X, sold out of 2X. 3X, we have 1 3X. So when I come over here, see that where it says 1. So now we have 1 small, 2 mediums, 1 extra large, and 1 triple X. So that means I need to order 6 more large, 6 more double X. Now let's go to the next one. Next one is the brown hoodie. Brown hoodie, we're almost sold out in basically everything except for triple X. No small, no medium, no extra large, no double X, 1 triple X. Let me see what we have in the store. And I have 1 small on display in the store. So I basically need to order every single size. So I need to order 6 small, 6 medium, 6 large, 6 extra large, 6 double X. Usually when I do these hoodies, because they're so big and they take up so much space, I could only fit so many in here. So what I usually do is I'll just buy a half dozen of each size, or the popular sizes that are going really fast. Sometimes I'll buy a dozen and just leave them in the boxes. But like the brown one, that one moves like crazy. So that one I'll probably get double X, extra large, and large. Probably a dozen of each of those and leave them in the boxes, because anytime I open the store, they sell out fast. So this is basically how I do inventory for the hoodies. This is how I do it for the t-shirts also. So let me walk you through that. All right, so the same exact thing what I did with the hoodies, I'm gonna be doing with the t-shirts. So same thing, I'm in the Shopify app. Start with this one. This is the My City or This City Don't Love You t-shirt. This is the LA design. I'm gonna go down here to inventory, and then I'm gonna check everything that we have. So for this one, I only have 1 small left in the size small. Medium is on the other side. 2, 3, I have 3 of those, so we're good. Size large. All out of size large, so I need to order those. Extra large, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, only 4 of those. 2X, I have 1, 2, 3 of those. We need to re-up on those. And triple X. Actually, I only have 1 of those, so we need to re-up on those too. That's basically it. So then I'll go to the next design. which is the 4 fingers up design. First we'll do white and blue. 4 fingers up design, inventory, and go through all the sizes all over again. So size small, I might only have the store displays only in size small. Let me check the store. Store, I only have medium, no size smalls left. So size small is all sold out. We need to order more white. Size medium. We had 2 mediums on display. And I have 2 back here. Size large. 1, 2, 3. We need to re-up on those. Extra large, we only have 1, I think. Yep. Double X, 2. We only have 2 of those. Oh, triple X. 2 of those. And the next one is the black and white, 4 fingers up design. So I basically do this for every single SKU that I have, every t-shirt design. I'll run through here and see what we have in stock. No smalls, let me check the store. Let me take you with me when I say let me check the store. So when I say let me check the store, this is what I'm talking about. I basically come over here and see what I have on display. Usually I hang up the mediums and the smalls. For myself, I like the way small shirts look when they're hanging up on hangers. So let's see, West Side shirt. I have 1 small hanging up right here. I think that's it. I don't have any more on display anywhere. We sold out of a lot of stuff last time we opened up, so that's why I'm trying to do inventory now. Like all of these 310 hats, this shelf was filled up. We're basically sold out of all the colors except for red and black and Dodger blue. So we're gonna have to do those also. So that's what I'm talking about when I say, hey, let me go check the store. I'm basically just checking what I have on display to see what sizes are out. Usually I just try to put out smalls and mediums on display. Unless I'm sold out of small and medium, then I'll go to the next size. But for the most part, everything that you see hanging up here is either small or medium. We're gonna be doing my Always on the Grind t-shirt. Some of you seen it, Always on the Grind, 9 to 5, 5 to 9. So we have 2 size smalls, 1, 2, 3, 3 larges. This shirt design is always requested by people that follow me on YouTube, that come to the store and want to pick it up. So I'm putting it online and it's in the store now. 1, 2, 3 of those. And then 2X, we only have 2 left. Shout out to everybody that came by the store opening the other weekend, because I appreciate everybody that stops by, especially like the conversations and stuff like that. It's always dope. And we're all out of 3X. Let me see how many mediums I got. One, 2 mediums. So I need to re-up on some of those. All right, there you have it. That's basically what it looks like day to day around here, packing up orders, doing inventory. The store, I only open up on random weekends whenever I'm free to do so. Hopefully within the new year, I could open up more weekends, but as far as right now, 1 week in a month is when I actually open up. You gotta follow my page so you know when I open up the store if you are in the Southern California area. Hopefully you guys like these shop life videos where I show kind of what I'm doing within the shop, within this space. I know sometimes things get really repetitive because I'm doing the same things over and over and over again. That's exactly what happened in December when I was posting videos every single day. you would see I'm doing the same exact thing every single day. I'm pressing shirts, I'm packing up orders, I'm going to the post office, I'm shipping out orders. That's basically all I was doing. So if you want to see more of that, you can go to my Instagram, go to my TikTok, or even on YouTube. I was posting the same video on all 3 platforms every single day for the month of December, just taking you guys along for the ride. So if you like this type of content, please let me know in the comments. If you want to see more of this day-to-day stuff of me working and how I do stuff, let me know. And if you guys don't want to see this stuff, let me know in the comments also. But I'm here just to share the information on what works for my business, how I run my business, how I operate my business. That's the information I'm sharing with you guys. So don't forget to follow me if you want to on Instagram, BigBrando TV, for more of that behind the scenes stuff. If not, I'll catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.